Developer options or developer mode in an Android smartphone allows you to unlock hidden features in your mobile phone. Let me show you. Hello, this is Mr. Mobility. Developer mode enables you to unlock hidden features so you can enjoy some benefits that you were not enjoying before. To make customizations and adjustments to your phone, I share what these features are and how to find and enable developer mode in your phone. For example, one of the improvements and one of the benefits of enabling and using developer mode or developer options in your phone is that you can increase and improve the performance of your smartphone. How? It's more of perception, but again, at the end of the day, it impacts how you use your phone. So for example, you can reduce the animation scale of your device such that it feels faster when you use it. If you're using an entry-level or mid-range Android smartphone and it's feeling a little sluggish, for example, enabling developer mode and going in there to adjust about 3 items means that your phone will suddenly begin to feel smoother and more pleasant to use. Another benefit of using developer mode or developer options is that you can debug. Now, this is a developer terminology. If you're into app development, you already know what this means. If you're not, you're going to find this more technical than you probably can handle. But it simply means that you're able to figure out what's going on behind the scenes in your phone. You have access to technical information about what's going on behind the scenes in your phones. And it's a great way of solving problems that encounter with apps and with the functionality on your phone. If you're not a developer, don't worry about this. Ignore this. Another benefit you can enjoy when you enable developer mode on your Android smartphone is that you can achieve a greater deal of customization for your phone. For example, you can limit background activity on your device, which apps are connecting online, how often they do it, which apps are running in the background when you're doing something, or even when your phone is idle. You can tinker and tamper with all of that to make your phone more efficient, reduce your data consumption, reduce battery consumption so that your battery life improves, things like that. You can also force the rendering of your graphical processing unit. Pretty much what that means is that you can change how well your phone displays animations and graphics in games, in video, and all of that. And for those of you who love to tinker with custom software for your devices, yes, you can unlock your device's bootloader and be able to install custom software, custom ROMs from third-party sources. Of course, this comes with risks, but if you're the adventurous type, hey, what's stopping you from doing it? So the question you're asking next is, how can you find, or where can you find developer mode or developer options in your Android smartphone? It's a simple answer. You always find it in the settings of your device. It's always in the settings of your device. The problem is this. It's hidden. If you scroll through your device, you're not going to find any section that says developer mode. You have to enable it for it to be visible. So the question now is, how do you enable developer mode? When you load the settings app of your phone, go down to About Phone, and then scroll down to Software Information, and then scroll to where you find Build Number. What you want to do when you find Build Number is tap it multiple times. Usually it's 7 times, but who knows, that may change in the future. It might even have changed as I'm speaking. But you start tapping on Build Number 1, 2, 3, 4. It says you're 3 steps away from being a developer, 6, 7, and then it asks you to unlock your device. My device is unlocked, and then it asks me, allow development settings. These settings are intended for development use only. They can cause your device and the applications on it to break or misbehave. Be aware of that disclaimer. If you want to proceed, anything you do in here in developer mode and developer options can break, can mess up something on your device. Yes, we want to. So you're going to tap OK. Developer mode has been enabled. Yay! Now, where do you find it? You have to go back to the main page of your settings app, right? And then scroll down to the very bottom, and here you are, developer options. That's it. Once you tap on it, you are now in the developer options menu, and you can access all of the different things that you'd like to do. All the hidden features, all the tinkering, all the adjusting that you want to do, here they are waiting for you. And whenever you're done, perhaps you have played around with everything you need to play around with and you want to turn it off. At the top of the settings, you see the toggle for disabling it. And all you have to do is tap on that, and developer options has been turned off. If you go back to the main settings, to the main page of your settings app, you find that developers options or developer mode, which was visible at the bottom, is gone. If you'd like to enable it again, it's the same process. Go back to about phone, scroll down to software information, build number, tap it repeatedly, usually at least 7 times, till your phone asks you to unlock. And then you enter your PIN, your password, and then you have developer mode active again. Now, I have showed you that here on a Samsung phone. Depending on the implementation of the different Android phone manufacturers, the location of that build number menu may differ. But here is a phone from AGM, and I am in the settings app. I scroll down, about phone, I scroll down, and here it is, build number. So I'm tapping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's asking me to unlocked, and then I go back to main page of the settings app. And when I scroll to the bottom, in this case, I have to now look under system, and right here, developer options. See? That's developer options. And then I can do whatever I want to do, play around, tinker. And then, similar to how it works on the Samsung, when I'm done and want to turn it off, all I have to do is disable it here, and developer options is gone. When you go back to that system menu, you don't see developer options visible anymore. The specific location, depending on the phone manufacturer, it will differ a little bit, but you can't miss it. You just can't miss it. You're looking under about phone or under system, or both. The build number can be in about phone, and then developer options will show up under system, or both can show up under about phone. But those are the two places where you look to find and enable developer options in your Android phone. Let me know if you've ever used this feature on your phone before. What did you use it to achieve? I have used it a bit. I've used it to make my phone feel snappier. I have also used it to limit background apps on my device a few times, which led to an increase in battery life and also reduced the quantity of data that my phone was consuming. Let me know your experiences with it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it. Please share it. Do follow my channel. I'd love to share more informative videos with you over time. Take care.